kind of starts on a green-blue option. We go over to some other things. Pretty soft to drive. Really fun though. A little more raw. Not so much machine cut going on here. And some of the signage is hard to figure out at first. But it's not a giant park. Try Dogpatch again. See how it goes this time. Oh, fly, get off. Get off. A fly actually flew into my goggles somehow through one of the vents. Drop in is pretty intimidating at a glance. It's not too bad to hit it though. The next downhill Rockies, one of the categories will be the race series will be coming down Dogpatch. So I was curious what it would look like. It's definitely a downhill rocky situation. Really pretty too. My speeds look slow sometimes. It's because it is pretty steep. And I'm still learning how it flows. It's definitely a fun trail. Steeps have been more of my weakness on downhill tracks. Tires are feeling really good. Tried a different tire in the rear this season. A Big Betty, and it seems it's doing great. I'm keeping the Magic Mary up front that the bike first came with. We're going to take this side this time. Seems a little bit better chance of going through smoothly. Oh, this line right here looks much faster. I think I remember here you got to get left pretty quick. Whoa. Oh no, that must be further down here. Going straight down. And just feathering some brake as we go here. I do not think that is the best route to go. Let's get back over here. And we got a gap right here. Let's try it out. Whoa. Oh, that is cool. All right. That ties back into a blue to finish. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Second run felt pretty good. Time to go explore something else. Alright, air raid. That's cool. It's got some rock cinders. That one's crazy. Definitely a raw trail. It's very cool. Whew. That is sketchy right there. These are just a little feathering of the brakes game. Where am I? What am I doing here? I didn't know we had options. Oh. That would have been an easy way to miss where the trail goes. Well, let's continue on. Really cool how as you get a little bit lower, the trees fill in. It feels more like forest. than it does at the top. That's a pretty big drop off. Oh, I didn't realize that was even part of the trail. That is cool. Oh, so it goes skinny to a drop. Decided best to leave some features for next time. What's this feature? Is that a big cinder? It is a big cinder. I'm hitting that. Pretty rowdy. That's cool. What about that one? Rowdier. Oh, that's big. That is big. That is cool. Definitely rowdy. I was not ready for that one. And there's a big log. That is a really cool feature. Cool to camp right there. Maybe this stays up. That's neat.